There. I think that's enough for them, don't you?
And that one.
Yeah, just here, yep. There. And we just put the lid on here, like so that. And that's it. Whoops, hang on there. Right. That's it. Now if we go and sit on the stool here, they might just... We'll come over and sit here and they just might come and eat the food. Okay, I'll take the shoes off. Get them off. Okay. There. Okay. Let's sit here and see if they'll come. Just wait and see if they'll come.
Stop.
What's Dad doing?
He's naughty boy.
Is he a naughty boy, is he? Oh. Well, come on, birds. Usually when I just feed them, they can hear the rattle of the things and they come, but...
Yeah?
As long as those...
You don't have a hat on.
Oh, I'm not going outside, though. I'm not going outside. I'm going to stay inside. And I found Tigger, so when you come home later on this afternoon, you better watch Tigger.
Oh.
Yes. And there'll be Eeyore and Pooh Bear.
I got Eeyore on my bed.
Have you? Oh, we can do. You right? Okay.
Dad!
Come on, birds.
Come on, birds.
Yes, what's wrong with you this morning? They were there a minute ago when there was no food.
Maybe it's because Dad's here. Maybe Dad will go away.
Or maybe we should all go away and then they'll come and then we can have a look out the door and see them.